Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Naresh Chetri, and today in this video we are going to explore the return value. So we normally say RV, return value for the Python, and on the top of that we are trying to return a dictionary. So if you don't understand about dictionary, so please go and watch the previous video of the dictionary that has the curly braces and that include the data type. All the data over here inside the dictionary are in the form of the keys and the value. So normally we say is a key value pair for the data of the dictionary. So if you don't know exactly how Python functions return the value, please watch the previous two videos. So in two videos we have explored the first one, that Python return the simple value, and the second video is about the Python return the optional value. Also before that, if you don't know about the dictionary, please watch what exactly is a dictionary data type in order to understand this video. So Python can return complicated data structure like list and dictionary. So the only difference is that list is the collection of items, has only the list items, but the dictionary has the items collected over the curly braces, and that is of the key value pair. So in this program, we are trying to return values in the form of a dictionary. So the function is as it is. We have a def keyword, so you already know the def keyword help us to create the Python function with the Python function name is get full name, and we have two parameters or the two arguments is f name and yel name, where we want to store the first name and last name. And the only thing is that we are doing over here inside the body of the function is that we are packing these values into a dictionary. So while packing that values, so we have to pack in the form of the key value pair. So first the key and the value separated by comma, and then another key and another value. So we call this as a first pair, and this is a second pair. So that's one. The key value is represented as the pairs. So that's one we say key 1 and the value 1 for the first pair, and key 2 and value 2 over our second pair. So, and then we use the return and just return the person. That means the entire dictionary is packed and returned with the help of this return person with the help of the return keyword. Now, this function is pretty simple, looks like, but if you understand those all this 0, 1, and 2 concept, this function is pretty simple, takes the simple information and puts into a meaningful data. That means in a meaningful data means we try to combine the person first name and last name and pack those value in the form of the dictionary. So what we do, we just call the function. So when we do the function call, we just need two values. So the first name and last name. So that exactly match is the 1 and 2 values. So this GNU, this name match to the first name, and whatever we pass over here is gang. So this gang match to the yel name, and that yel name will replace with the values. So remember, so the values of the dictionary we can have a duplicate values, but we cannot have the duplicate keys, because keys should be unique in the dictionary. So we can easily extend these functions to accept any optional or the other values. So other values in the sense, here we are doing just the two things, first name and last name. On the top of that, we can add a person middle name, or person age, middle name, age, occupations, yeah. So whatever, or the city, whatever you want to add on the top of that, our pairs will keep on increasing. That means we will have having some K3 and V3. So in the sense, key 3 and value 3 for whatever we want to add over this, yeah, and another pair. So only thing is that it will be first pair, second pair, third pairs, because you can add as much as pair in your dictionary if you want. So here we have used two keys The first and last are the keys, which are the unique that store the values, f name and last name, and that f name and last name value is provided as whatever the value, GNUN and CAT. So if you understand this, so after understanding the PPT, we will go and run the exact program implementation so that you understand how exactly the return values for Python dictionary works. The program is here. It's pretty simple. So the programming about the return values, returning a dictionary. So we started with a def keyword as we did, and here is a doc string. You already know doc string means just the comment that is in triple quotes. So in Python, you can use two types of comments, single line comments or multi-line comments. We use the doc string in order to describe the function. So here our description is just to return a full name that is neatly formatted. And over in line number 7, the main thing we have done is we have packed those value into the two pairs. So the first pair is the first name holding the value f name, and the second pair is last, the key with the l name as a value, and then we return the entire dictionary that the person is returned. So and then we call as many times. So let us call first the first one as a student one. So as you know, if you make a function one time, you can call that function as many as times. So the function name is get full name. So we call as a just used as a student one over here to call that and pass the first name and last name. If we run that, so he will get the values those packed in a dictionary. So in this way, we can also the student two. So the only difference is that every time we call the function, we will get one more new dictionary. So we don't have to worry, we don't have to write all those function definition again, because we have already write the function definition once over here. The only thing is that we are over here the function call part. So this is the first function call, this is the second function call, and every function call return us the new dictionary with the two key value pairs. I mean two pairs. So every pair has key. So the key is first, yeah, and the value is whatever the values pass. So the first value, the value one was Naresh, and the second value was GNU. I hope that helps, and thank you for watching.